Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Triangle Mastercard account online. So if you need help logging into your Triangle Mastercard account online, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type mastercard.triangle.com. Press enter. Here you can see you're led to the official website of Triangle Mastercard. If you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the sign in button that you can see right over here. Now you'll be redirected to this page. Here you'll have to provide your credentials in order to log in. First of all, enter your username. Simply click on the username box and type your username. You can also check the box remember my username if you do not want to enter the username every time you log in. Now enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forget password to reset your password. Now after providing your username and password, all you have to do is click on the sign in button right over here. And after clicking on the sign in button, you'll be officially logged in your Triangle Mastercard online account. Once you have logged into your account, you can simply select the Mastercards option and then use various services associated with your Triangle Mastercard. And that is how you log into Triangle Mastercard account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.